Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, I'm ShesPrettyRedd. Welcome to my channel, you guys. So in today's video, I will be working with Dossier. And if you are new to my channel, I have worked with Dossier in the past and I love their fragrances, you guys. And I'm so excited to be working with them again and sharing more fragrances with you guys. I'll give you guys all the details on Dossier and read up on information about the company. I do want you guys to go ahead, make sure you guys are liking this video. Make sure you guys are subscribed if you guys are not subscribed already, and make sure you guys is sharing with your family and friends, social media friends and things like that, you guys, because don't forget, sharing is caring. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay guys, so if you are not familiar with Dossier, Dossier is a company that specializes in making inspired fragrances, you guys, that are inspired by higher end brands. Dossier also has a new payment method that allows you to earn credit. All you have to do is select cash at the checkout and you guys can receive $10 for a sign. So if you like your Dior, your Chanel, and your YSL type of higher end fragrances, you guys, Dossier creates those. So if you want to smell good, we still can smell good on a budget. So Dossier did send over 2 different fragrances for me to try out for you guys. So I'm going to show you guys 2 other fragrances that I have. Go ahead and get into the fragrances that I have. So this right here is what the packaging looks like when you receive your package from Dossier. This right here is what your package looks like on the inside. You get that, and you also get your note card with the package and your fragrance. So this one that I have for you guys is called Floral Anise. The top notes in this one is Anise, Neroli, Bergamot. Middle notes are jasmine, May rose, and I'm not even gonna pronounce this other one, y'all. I'm not trying to butcher it. Okay, so in the base notes in this one is sandalwood and orris. So this one is inspired by Chanel number 5, y'all. So the concentration in this fragrance is 12%. So this right here is the notes right here. And some of them, no, I did not pronounce because, like I said, I was not trying to butcher it. So, yeah. This right here is what the bottle look like. And you guys already know, I told you guys before, your top is magnetic. And I love that about this. So, let's go ahead and get into testing this one. So, I'm just going to test it right here on my note card. Right off the back, I know I'm smelling sandalwood and I'm smelling jasmine, and I smell the May rose, y'all. So this one is really strong. This one is like super strong. This one smells like it's giving grown women, like, yeah. And oh, just, yeah, it smells, yeah, I'm definitely getting the rose. That rose, and this is so strong, y'all. And like I said, this is Floral Anise. So yeah. Alright, y'all, so the next one that I'm trying out for you guys is Aromatic Star Anise, you guys. And the top notes in this one is bergamot, bergamot, pepper, star anise. The middle notes is lavender, nutmeg, and the base notes is amberwood. And I'm not even gonna say it. We're not even trying to butcher this, okay? But anyway, this one is inspired by Dior Savage, and concentration in this one is 12% as well. And this right here is the notes, you guys, right here. So if you want to look over that, you're like the first one. I'm going to spray it right here on my little note. Alright, y'all, so this one I'm definitely smelling the amberwood. I'm getting some of the lavender as well, you guys. This one smells really good. I wish Babe was in here, but right now, y'all, he's holding baby Cairo, so he can't come in here and tell us how this one smells. But this one, y'all, smells so good. Y'all, it smells so good. Like, spray a little bit of that so Baby can smell it when I come out of the bathroom. But anywho, you guys, I definitely love this one. This one is super strong too, y'all, but it smells so good. I wanted to come and share my Dossier fragrances with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let's go ahead and get into today's vlog, y'all. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check out my description box so you guys can get some money off. Thanks so much, Dossier, for sending me out my fragrances. I really do appreciate you guys, and I love each and every fragrance that I have. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog, y'all. So right now I'm making my kids some lunch. It seems like every time I start the vlog, y'all, I'm making my kids lunch. I guess because it's midday, and let's just be honest, your girl was just chilling. So yeah, they ate oatmeal this morning for breakfast. Oatmeal, applesauce, and some milk. That's what they had for breakfast, y'all. But right now I'm making them some cheese. What is it, y'all? Those cheese things, the things that got the cheese in it. Anyway, they're getting those, and they're also getting some chicken nuggets. So right now I'm actually straightening up my bedroom. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm halfway done. So yeah, I just wanted to come and get this vlog started for you guys today. So yeah, y'all, let me go ahead and get started doing what I was doing, you guys, and then I'm gonna talk to you guys in a minute.
All of those years that passed us by, all of those tears we both have cried. I really miss seeing you smile. I blame myself, although I tried. Even if I love you, this fight is yours no matter what I do. I wait for the morning light to shine through to keep you warm, although I'm gone. One life can tell you before I'm losing I don't. Seconds away from breaking, I'm losing this war. Letting you go, I'm waving my white flag. 'Cause you will be gone. Oh, spirits and choose wisely, dear, you still got time. Get where the lucky ones, living every day like it's our very last. Hear them sing. We still got time. Living every day like it's our very last. We walk through darkness, walked in the sun. We shared our sorrows, we share the love. As we get older, maybe we change. I had my reasons, I couldn't stay. Hope you're okay now. Even if I love you, always a fight no matter what I do. I wait for the morning light to shine through to keep you warm, although I'm gone. One life can tell you before I'm closing that door. Seconds away from breaking, I'm losing this war. Letting you go, I'm waving my white flag. 'Cause you will be gone. No spirits and choose wisely, dear, you still got time. Get where the lucky ones, living every day like it's our very last. Hear them sing.
My kids are gonna have one of these to go with their lunch, and this right here is going to be their snack for this evening. Some cotton candy. So yeah, let's see what they're gonna be having, and what I'm gonna be eating for lunch is some crackers and some chicken salad with some collard greens. So yeah, crazy combination, but this is what I'm going to be eating for my lunch. Papa. Hey, Papa. You good?
I really miss seeing you smile. I blame myself, although I tried. Even if I love you, this fight is yours no matter what I do. I wait for the morning light to shine through to keep you warm, although I'm gone.
Yeah, this chicken salad is so good. And don't get me started on those collard greens, y'all. So good. You good, Papa? Is he good, bud? Yeah, this is what I'm drinking. This is so good. It's so good, y'all. Yeah, I was supposed to have ate my crackers, didn't even eat them. I'm gonna save them for later. But I hope you guys are having a great day. I'm pretty sure I didn't say that. I hope you guys are having a pretty good day. I'm having a good day. It's my clothes in the dryer. Had to fold clothes, y'all. Papa, he is eating his stuff. Papa, is it good? Papa love his food. It's good. That's my fat boy, y'all. He's so fat. Papa is fat. You are fat, Papa. But anyway, y'all, I gotta fold clothes, so I'm gonna go get that done, and then I'll talk to you guys a little later. Alright, y'all, so right now, I'm about to take my kids their baths. They ate lunch. Now it's bath time, right, y'all?
Yeah!
So I'm gonna take them their baths. And then, yeah, our kids relax and rest. I need to do the girls' hair. That's probably it for today, y'all. So I'm gonna talk to you guys in a little while. Let me go ahead and get down with my mommy duty. Cause yeah. Y'all are silly. Alright, y'all, gotta go. See the water splashing everywhere. Alright, y'all, so right now I am doing the girls' hair. Bella's getting her hair done. And as you guys can see, my little hair basket right here. Y'all, I got so much stuff in this. It's like my little organizer for all my stuff for their hair. But yeah, y'all. Doing her hair first. My Papa. I washed his hair. Papa got his hair washed too. Then you probably have blue. Then you probably got your hair washed. Y'all go. Turn around, girl. Turn around. Let's see. Turn around. Real fast. Look pretty. I love your hair, girl. You like your hair?
Yeah.
Put some barrettes on it tomorrow, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, girl. Y'all, I'm going in here. So little squishes. Y'all, see her hair. So that's how I'm doing back there right now. Right, London? Turn around. Turn around. You like it?
Yeah.
All right, girl. You like your hair?
Yeah.
You look so pretty, girl. All right, y'all, so I'm done doing hers. Even though it was a process, she started going to sleep. I just gotta do Amina's now. Yeah, Amina? All right, girl. All right, turn. All right, yeah, look pretty. Look pretty, girl. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. As you guys can see, I got done doing buggy hair, and we all piled up in the living room since Babe was home finally, and we ended up watching Jurassic Park, y'all, which was so good, the new one. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next video.